So a little helpful piece of advice I heard from Wim Hof is, if you're stressed and shallow breathing in sympathetic nervous system mode, in the fight or flight state, try take 30 really deep breaths, because usually when we're stressed or in fight or flight, we're having shallow breaths, trying to struggle to get a word in a conversation between us and other people. So do this. Try take 30 slow deep breaths, and then after that hold your breath for a minute, and then repeat the cycle if necessary until, like Wim says, until you get a hold of your chemistry. Because with everything, even mental and emotional, there's physical connections, neurochemistry, hormones. So our physical body really is like a gateway and a doorway and a bridge between our emotions and thoughts. So I'd highly recommend alkalizing, relaxing, doing this 30 breath thing if you're stressed, and see how that goes for you. And I really hope it helps you. Lots of love.